What's your first memory about dance?
First memory about that. You
I
know
do.
yours? Well, tell me.
My first memory was running in the wind in the country and just loving the feeling of the wind. I lived in the country and it kind of made me feel movement. And then I sort of related that to dance. So that is actually my first memory of dance, running in the wind.
And your first?
I guess I hadn't thought about it. I don't remember. But I think probably dancing on my mother's feet. My mother, she took me on her feet and danced around with me. I was like, yeah, no, I remember that.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And if dance was just 3 steps or movements, which would you choose?
3 steps?
Or movements?
3 favorite
as you
steps?
like, yeah.
Hop, skip, jump.
If you want, you can show us.
Hop, skip, jump.
Hop, skip and jump?
Well, I love things that sort of do that. I like jumping.
Hop, skipping
Hop,
and jumping.
skip and jump.
Hop, skip and jump. Yeah, well, that's an Olympic event.
Well, don't knock it up.
It's called the triple jump.
But I'm talking about, I like jumping.
Yeah, I do. I was going to say hopping up and down. Three movements. Hopping up and down. Maybe the Freddy. Do you remember the Freddy?
Oh, you like that?
Oder Glockenspielen.
Yeah, but there's one ballet step. There's one ballet step which I love. There's a ballet step I love. It's called Ton de Cuisse.
Oh, Ton de Cuisse. I always like Ton de Cuisse.
I love Ton de Cuisse pas de bourrée. Ton de Cuisse pas de bourrée.
Yeah,
I enjoy that very much.
I always
but
like
I wouldn't
Ton de
say it's
Cuisse.
my favorite.
My favorite step. Well, okay. I like. I used to like attitudes when I had a good one. When I was younger. You know what that is?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good.
Is there a song or a soundtrack that it's very significant for you, or that you connect with your life or job for a special meaning?
I have one song that means a lot to me. It's called You Are the Apple of My Eye. Da, 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 dee. That's a kind of... when did that come out? In the early 70s. I don't know who sang it, but it means a lot to me. And You Are My Destiny. I love that. You know that one?
Of course I know it. It's a song. I'm trying to think of the first one that comes out. Of it,
Or is it maybe If I Were a Rich Man?
You can get the songs for me. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. No, I don't know. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe I'll come up with one. Think a favorite song. Is that what you said? One song?
Yeah, or soundtrack.
Or a soundtrack. Oh, that's cool.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Now you can choose someone to dance with. Who would you invite?
To dance with me?
Yeah.
Angela Merkel.
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge. Make her dance, yeah. Who would I like to dance with?
I have no favourite because I like to dance with people. So basically it could be anybody.
Actually, my favorite partner is my wife. Actually. So yeah.
It's beautiful.
No, it's true. It's true.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.